Okay guys, so I want to show you something amazing I just got in the mail. I actually won this on a giveaway, and I'll tell you a special thanks after. So first I'm going to read the note. Cheers, Lorenzo. Thank you for hanging out with the Silver Husky pack. You rock. Keep being cool. Silver Husky. So this package, as you just heard, is from Silver Husky. I won a giveaway on Saturday, last Saturday from when I'm filming. This is a Silver Husky sticker, and I won this from Silver Husky. So let me just say a ginormous thank you, and I also won this coin from Silver Husky with the Silver Husky flip. It is absolutely amazing, and I'm just so grateful. Thank you so much, Silver Husky. It is a 1906 barber dime, and I have gotten into the coin collecting hobby because of Silver Husky. So please, just for me, go check out Silver Husky. He does a bunch of cool coin related videos. He teaches you how to silver stack. He does awesome silver giveaways and live streams where he just chats with you. It is amazing. So please, for me, just go check him out. And just a ginormous thank you. I've been literally so excited for days. I've just been checking in the mail and checking in. And just keep on checking in the mail over and over. And I am so glad I just barely got this. I'm going to keep this nice note. The dime I got. And let's get a close-up of everything. Here's the close-up of everything. There's the Silver Husky note. That's the Silver Husky awesome, amazing flip. That is just so cool. And that's the sticker. I believe he said they only made 100 of those. So I am so grateful to have this stuff. Thank you again, Silver Husky. So now that I've showed you the amazing stuff with Silver Husky, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Go check out his channel, subscribe, share my video and some of his videos with your friends. Tell me in the comment section if you actually go out and check his channel out. And if you do, tell me how much you enjoyed his videos. Also, we're super close to 100 subscribers, so keep subscribing. I love each one of you guys in the silver community and the stocks community. You guys are super helpful and super fun.